Okay, well, pretty boring day so far. You know, very tight range. I think we're gonna get something like this happening here since we got a higher low. We'll be forming a nice little wedge here. Okay. Hey, Mano, what's up? All right, so we have the 10 crossing below the 21. There is a possibility for us to short. To short here. Okay. But this tight range here is making me hesitate, so it's probably not a good idea. I mean, I guess you can play the ranges here. I mean, I wouldn't do that. That's not worth it for me. But you definitely can. It's just gonna be very stressful since you're not gonna get those big moves that everyone usually wants, right? Inherently wants. So that's gonna be something that you're gonna have to either get used to on that part, or just completely, you know, just not really focus on the range and just try to play every single tick move. That's your style, but that's not my style, so I won't be doing that. Okay, so JWN, I am out again at break even. All right, I got out like right around like 22.10, I think. Looks to me, it looks like a bear flag now, but who knows, right? Maybe we're just allowing the price to move sideways until we can retest the daily 21 SMA. CSIQ, nice break over $40, is now hitting the upper resistance in the bull flag. Very, very good. Nothing else to see here other than Google. Now it's hitting 95.50. I also want to look at, oh wow, look at that one's going crazy. Jeez. XLV. So we just entered into these ones, right? XLV. You're going to be a little bit defensive here, all right? As we're nearing the end of February. So that's something that you guys should be looking out for, okay? All right, natural gas is moving again. Looks like clean energy and some dirty energy is moving. Look at UNG, yeah. UNG is making a nice, not a flag, but it's making this nice range on the base here. I mean, we saw a lot of buying coming in as we're coming down, a lot of institutional buys. So, hopefully you can get some sort of a snapback, at least. Dell looks like a great place to add. If you guys added, then you guys can add. I've already added on this one. Well, I already started out with a good size position. So this one's fine for me. And there's nothing else, to be honest. Man, lift just lifted off of 11. Very nice, very nice, very nice. other than continuations and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't really see much. Mobileye hit new all-time highs again today. Very, very good. Oh, IMCR. What happened to this one yesterday? Let me see. Probably just took out the really, really weak buyers yesterday. But still good over 65, so we gotta watch that. Yeah, look at that. So if I had shorted here, it wouldn't have made sense. Hey, what's up, Miner? It was a very slow day today. That's why I started the live stream late. I kind of expected a day like this after yesterday. You know, we had a pretty volatile and wild day, and a lot of volume. So today's just gonna be a very, very tight day, inside day range day. So. But you know, regardless of what the market is doing, we have a lot of individual names just absolutely pumping out some good gains. So Google is over 95.50. That's great. Miner, hopefully you are in Google. We just got into XLV. All right. I signaled this one in the chat. Maybe what, like 5 minutes before I started the live stream. So. Yeah, I don't really see much, but on Lyft really lifted off. Dell can be a very good ad either this week, by the end of this week, or next week. There's a very nice looking breakout pattern here. Let's see. YPF still need some time here. Yeah, JWN I got out, break even. Figs looks great. It's breaking to the upside. Much, to be honest. Unfortunately. Yeah, I'm just waiting on nat gas to get back up here. You know, we've been in this one for quite some time now, since late January, I believe. Yeah, I got into some new calls here. I think 2 of the previous positions have been a loss, so I had to cut pretty early since we were just, you know, nose diving lower on that gas, and I saw cold was absolutely getting rocketed higher. So hopefully cold here is not a nice flag here. Instead, we actually move lower this time around. But you know, who knows, right? I mean, UNG is making a base here on that gas. We have those 10 calls, and I just want to see double digits again on UNG, and also we have an extra layer with Boyle. All right, this is the 2 times leverage ETF for natural gas. So, you know, Minor, I'm not day trading at all. I wouldn't recommend day trading at all. If you want to swing, you can swing. But yeah, Apple looks great on the daily, right? Very, very nice flag. It's hard to be bearish in the market right now with Apple behaving this way. But I would say a good breakout area will be, well, today was actually a good entry point here, over 154. But if you're waiting for that confirmation, you can either wait for 155.50 break, or you can wait for 157, which is a huge area of resistance right here. 157, right? Do you see how my pivot, okay, my pivot high points here are telling you 157? All right, this is where we all pivoted at 157. So Apple here at 157 can become a very, very good breakout entry, right? More of a confirmed entry point if you don't want to get in early, right? If you want to see an actual entry point where we're absolutely moving to the upside, right? For sure, and that'll be 157, right? And once you're able to break above 157 and hold this previous resistance level as new support, if we do break above 157. All right, Google, we're up 20%. Nice. Well, Lyft would have been a triple percentage return. Lyft. Wow. I mean, I did get out on my desired exit here at $11. So, I mean, I don't have nothing to worry about, but. Ooh, 30%. Hell yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, Minor, you're welcome. Yeah. So again, Apple, if you really want to wait for a nice confirmation breakout, look for 157, over 157. All right, but really, really good daily bull flag. And this daily bull flag on Apple is really kind of hard to be so bearish on the market, right? Because Apple is being so bullish here, right? I mean, the price action is so good. It's holding up really well. And the fact that it just broke over 154 today, right? And I mean, the entry today, the perfect entry was over 154. But if you haven't gotten in yet, I mean, that's fine, right? You don't have to get in now. We still have time. Thoughts on CRM calls? I mean, we saw a bunch of apparently call flows coming in for CRM. So at the top here, so I would assume that they're buying and so selling the calls, right? But yeah, CRM looks really good. Very, very solid price action. Very, very solid fundamentals as well. I'm waiting on the 10K to come out around March. I believe around the first week of March or second week of March. And I'll be going over that with you guys in the Discord. Overall, really, really good, you know, price action so far. Yeah, nothing bad so far. Nothing bad on CRM, I would say. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say. The only thing with CRM though, we're making this flag, right? And while we're making this flag, there's a possibility for us to come back down to retest 165 to 164. The reason why I say that is that the 21 SMA is also curling up higher to hit 164, right? It's above 164 right now. It's at 164.31, so there's a possibility for us to come back down to retest it, which could mean that we can come back down to 165. So if you want to wait until that, then you can, or you can just grab calls and gradually position yourself into and scale in to the position, right? And you grab more calls as the time goes on. Yeah, SPY still in the range. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I didn't expect anything to change once I look back at SPY here. We did hit a new high of the day, which is the reason why we got a little tiny pump on Google too. But oh wow, 96. Okay, so like I said earlier, 95.50 was going to be the first target price, not the profit target, but the first target price, right? And I said that was going to be good for us to retest 95.50. And I said that in the Discord as well. Eloy, what do you say? What is it? Looking for a breakout of bull flag on 4 hour? Yes, I am. I sent in calls earlier. This is looking juicy. If you guys aren't in the CFO Single Watch newsletter and the CFO Discord, I highly recommend you guys do that. There's links everywhere on my videos if you guys want to join. So don't ask me. Don't ask me where to subscribe or where to join. The links are everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, which isn't hard to do. If I assume that you guys are pretty proficient with social media, which I would assume that you guys are. Yeah, but I also gave Rocket Lab. I also gave XLV. Okay. A lot of good stocks here for swings that I gave so far. So if you guys want to join, make sure you guys join. Miner, your what do you call it? Your Discord name is Valgar, right? Just want to make sure that I know who's in my live stream right now. So. Ooh, CSIQ looking solid. So what I told my CFO Streaming Watch members is that CSIQ yesterday was most likely going to be a shakeout day. What that means is that they're shaking out any weak buyers, right? And guess what happened today on this candlestick, right? I mean, absolutely just blasting over. Yeah, I mean, this looks really, really good. Hey, 30% now on Google. Nice. 30% on Google. Alright, we entered this Google 2 days ago. Right over here. And we added yesterday too. So very nice. Oh, thank you guys for 4 likes. I didn't even see that. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Awesome to see that. Awesome. If you guys aren't subscribed yet to the channel here, make sure you guys are. Hey, 5 likes. Thank you guys. Hey. I just mentioned it too. I've had 4 likes. Nice. No, let me not add today. No, there's more opportunities tomorrow, or even by the end of the week, or even next week. So I'll probably add then. Oh, coin! Whoa! Just blasted over 57 yesterday, and I did not expect this today. Jeez. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Oops, I don't want to copy that link. Oh, JWN. Ah, no, actually, never mind. It's still within my break-even price that I got out of. I think I got out of half, small, very, very small profit, and then the rest just exactly at break-even. Unfortunately. And the reason why is that I like I said earlier, I did not like the look of this. All right. I want to see a very good bounce back to a retest of the 10 SMA, but we're not getting that for 3 days straight. And we weren't able to hold above the 10 SMA as well. So there's that slight possibility of us making another leg to the downside. I'm sure it's a very good base here, daily time frame wise. We're just moving sideways. But again, this is not the kind of action that I want to see. And I don't want to get stuck, right? What if we gap down the next day, right? Who knows? So better for me to get out, break even, okay? Break even better than a hefty loss. Ooh, figs. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Back to double digits we go. Hopefully. Rocket Lab is doing pretty good too. Oh, Figs just got a jump. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Guys, remember, boring trading is good, okay? Boring trading is good. It's never a bad thing to be boring trading. Just a little reminder to everyone. Spy levels. Well, in the intraday right now, we're breaking above 412, so that's not bad. The next level that we have to be looking at is obviously going to be 413 to 413.50, right? Yesterday's heavy level of supply. And we're filling the gap right now too, so If we do fill in the gap, and we probably will finish filling the gap at 412.50 or 51 exactly, then we can head back to 413 to 413.50. All right, that is our intraday levels of resistance there. All right, Google, almost 40%. Nice, 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 nice. To break even on Rocket Lab. All right, 40% on Google. Nice. Hey, good morning. Yeah, SPY's finally moving, Leon. Yep. All right, we're gonna see a retest of 412 here soon. Oh. Our Google swing is looking so good. I am up a nice hefty price on this one. Up nicely. Woohoo! There we go. I added yesterday, so now I have a full position. Rocket Lab looks so good. And laser. Yeah, laser can definitely make a comeback. This trend line here. Kind of an arbitrary trend line, or maybe even a double bottom bounce. Who knows? There's a lot of charts that look like this right now too, so it's gonna be very interesting if we can pull this off for laser. SPY. Yeah, no, nothing much. Guys, I just told you guys this, but earlier, for the people who have just come in, hey, thank you guys for 6 likes. We can see a nice wedge forming here within this bull flag. Okay. All right, this trend line here. We made a higher low today so far at 49.50. Okay. Either going to be a tight wedge or a double bottom, right? That can also be the case here. So, and there you go. SPY filled in the gap. So Google, the first profit target will be around 98 to 99, and then maximum will be around 100. Okay, so max PT for Google stands at 100 for me. Everything looks solid. Solid, solid, solid. Not a bad day at all. Let's see how the overall markets are doing though. The X1, dollar. Oh, the dollar's flagging. That's not a good sign. That means the gold should be going down. Yeah, gold smashed down. Yields are also rising still. Oh, bonds are falling down. Oh, it broke this ascending support trend line. This ascending support trend line, it had to hold here, but it didn't. That means I have to be a little bit more skeptical on this, on this rally here so far, on this bounce, this intraday bounce here from 410.50. It's gonna be hard to try to justify this as we're getting these conflicting moves here. What to do, what to do, what to do. Well, regardless of what's going on, I mean, we do have a nice bounce on SPY. Right? We gotta play on that. Oh, lift! Oh, man. Missed out on that triple percentage there. Very good earnings run. Wow. Wow. CSIQ sitting straight up at 441. If we break over to 42 tomorrow, I am getting in. That's a great breakout entry point. Confirmed entry point through 42. We've been rejecting that area multiple times within the bull flag as well, so good area to take out some shorts, and then we just blast off for a second leg higher. Google, what a great reversal candlestick yesterday, and this is a confirmation candlestick. So if you end up, guys, if you end up near the highs today, this is a confirmation that we're reversing higher. Okay, I'm on the 4-hour as well. On all the intraday time frames, we're a little bit oversold on the 2-hour as well yesterday. So this is very nice to see. But so far we've hit a 2-hour level resistance around 96.80. Okay. Let's just make sure if we do come back down, retest 95.50-ish. Okay, we retest it as a new level of support, or how about just not getting near 95.50 at all? And we just continue to break out over 96.80. That'd be a very, very good thing to look out for Google. But that'll also depend on how SPY is moving as well. But again, Google hasn't been really following SPY the past few days since it had its own catalyst, right? From its AI, right? The errors from the AI. But yeah, so that's essentially what's going on here. I'm still waiting for nat gas. It looks like we're forming a bear flag, but it's a little bit too early to tell because at the same time, we're trying to form a base after this big move down, and cold is also starting to top out here, right, with lower highs. Okay, and hopefully this doesn't turn out to be a flag, but because so far we have what we call an a descending triangle here. So hopefully this is not a flag that breaks out, because that'll be bad for UNG, and that will also confirm that this could be a potential bear flag. But overall, there's a nice character change in the fact that we're above the 10 SMA on the daily time frame, and we just need to get back above $9 and back towards that double digits. All right, and ultimately, I do want to see a run back to $11. Right, it's a huge level of resistance in the past, so why not? So why not? Why can't we just go back to 11? If you can go to $10, then we can go to 11. All right, very, very simple logic there. XLV, I'm going to add maybe tomorrow or either by end of the day. DELL looks good. We're still moving to the upside. We're back to 43, so that was our entry price, over 43. I expect us to continue higher for Dell. Again, very, very slow mover. All right, don't expect such a big move on a name that's not, supposed to be a fast mover. Right? People expect too much out of some names that have very low beta or low ADR. So don't expect too much. Again, just don't expect too much. A lot of things are moving up, but again, I gotta be cautious here. All right, lots of individual names. Ooh, look at that. Nice weekly base breakout there. Wow. Very nice. Oh, lift. Lift. Okay. What a boring day. You just have individual movers while the market is, you know, just doing the regular stuff, filling in gaps after a tight range. Nothing significant going on, and I'm glad I'm out of JWN. It's not really making a move here, even if the markets went up. So very good on that break even out. Figs is still looking very nice, so I'm glad on that one. All the other ones are just continuing higher or just starting to retest highs, stuff like that. Blah blah blah. I might just go to the gym. Very boring stuff, guys. This is where you just want to not be staring at the markets for too long, you know, or else you're gonna get really paralyzed by analysis by trying to look at every single thing, right? Or trying to figure out what the next market move is when we already have such a tight day, right? So don't fret, okay? Don't trip out. You didn't miss out on anything. The market is still here, okay? Nothing to worry about. Hopefully you guys had your breakfast too. Make sure you guys have that brain food. There you go. 412 retest. There you go. Here it is. And Google, we're probably gonna retest 95.50 or at least 96. It's always nice to see your analysis going perfect, you know. There it is. 5, 4, 12. We're probably gonna dip a little bit more. So the 10 SMA is a little bit far away. Yep, here we go. We're just kind of oscillating between the 412 level. We're retesting the 21 SMA here. You know, this move down by the 10 SMA was supposed to be a bit bearish, but the sideways action clearly killed the bears here, the shorts today. Well, whatever shorts that we had left, because, you know, the volume. Tight range. No one's really participating right now. There it is, and we're breaking 412. We can also get a retest of 411.50, guys. Don't forget about that. If we don't hold 412 well enough, that could be the case. And also, guys, SPY, well, on 15-minute candlesticks, you guys have to remember that the last 3 to the last second, so 3 to the last second of the closing candlestick, well when it's closing, that's going to be our most volatile time for that specific candlestick, whatever candlestick that you're looking at, not just the 15-minute. So obviously not, lower than 5 or 3-minute candlesticks, since that wouldn't work out. But in the 15-minute here, the last 3 to the last second, 3 minutes to the last second will be very, very crucial. And if you don't hold the 412 area or this level here, then we go back down and hit 411.50. Okay, so that's our thing there. Yeah. XLV, coming back down. That makes sense. But this is a very nice descending channel, so I'm sure that'll be a very good time to see a nice breakout soon. We attempted to do that yesterday. As overall markets are going up higher, but I'm just trying to catch a bid on potential defensive inflow, right, where the money is starting to go into defensive sectors like healthcare, right? But energy is down today. That's also a defensive sector. So healthcare is a bit down as well. It's not really focusing on trying to get back over the previous day's close, or at least try to continue to stay above previous day's lows, right? So either the close or the lows is a good area to be looking at, but so far we're sticking around below the low of yesterday on XLV. So we're not catching a bid yet on being defensive. So we're not as defensive just yet, right? But that's the reason why we got in earlier today, right, on XLV. There you go, SPY. But again, very tight range. I'm not day trading this. No way. No, thank you. Was there a way for me to know that we're going to bounce like this today? No. All right, I mean, this is a couple cents move, right? I'm sure I'll have been lucky if I bought calls, but again, we're moving sideways. Okay. In the previous candlestick here, the two previous 15-minute candlesticks from this one was a very bad looking hammer candlestick. And then it looked like we're trying to confirm it on this one. So why would I have taken calls here? All right. So you got to be realistic with yourself, guys. I know for sure for me, I wouldn't have gotten calls here. I probably would have gotten puts and gotten stopped out, right? And it would have been impossible for me to really know that there's going to be a big bounce, because remember, my 10 SMA was crossing below the 21 SMA. So how would I know that to get calls here, right? Unless we broke above 411. But guess what? We did that multiple times already, right? And so this is the reason why you do not want to be trading sideways action, right? You're not going to be always so sure about retesting or seeing a perfect retest on certain levels. Oh, here we go. Whoa, 411.50. We just passed it. Uh-oh. With a large candlestick, we're retesting 411 instead of 411.50. Okay, a nice retest of the 10 SMA, I guess. Very, very nice. Yep, Google's still staying at 96. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay. So 411.50 is being retested. If you're able to hold above 411.50 in the next 3 minutes here, in the last 3 minutes, then we're good. If not, we continue to range. And we're conforming to this wedge chart pattern here. Ooh, CSIQ 41. Very nice, very nice. There it is, Google 96. All right. Good. In 15-minute time frame. Actually, we might just retest 95.50. Huh. Yeah, we might retest 95.50, guys, for Google, which should be fine. Again, this 96.80 resistance, right? Heavy level of supply there. And we rejected off of that a couple of days ago too. All right. And if we do retest 95.50, that'll be good. We can recalibrate the RSI back to the 40s to 50s range, right? But that will also mean there could be a possibility of SPY coming back down and staying below 411.50. But again, that's not what I want, since I am bullish, obviously. If I want my Google trade to work, right? If I'm bearish, then what am I doing in Google? But again, on the 2 hour, this flag looks great. All right, it looks great. On the 2 hour, we held the 50 SMA as well, so very good. All right. You know, hopefully we can see some sort of a break over 412, or actually a close over 412 today. That'll be even better. Yeah, so there were scalp opportunities today. Like for example, again, over here. There could be a good scalp opportunity right now to grab some calls if we stay above 411.50. But again, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just giving you guys the ideas here. If you guys want to day trade, just make sure you guys keep a tight stop loss of at least 50 cents from your entry point. All right. You don't want to be caught with your pants hanging down, right? So just remember that, and you will be fine. Okay, last 3 minutes right now. Things are about to get very volatile, so watch out. Looks like we're not going to close above 411.50. Just a few cents off. We have 35 seconds left. Here we go, here we go. For the people who are just joining, you guys should know that we're in Google, XLV, Rocket Lab, Dell, okay? Just some of the few trades that we have for the CFO Stream Watch members. And if you guys aren't a member yet, you guys can find all my links everywhere on all social media. Just look up Charts Focus 1. Okay, you can look it up on Google, all right? Just everywhere. So don't ask me for a link unless you've already looked for it, right? It only takes a few seconds. Okay, I mean, just take a look at the description box below on the live, and you'll see my link. Okay. If you guys want to subscribe to the CFO Stream Watch, make sure you guys click on the link below, and it'll lead you to the page where you can look for the second link towards that subscription link. Okay. Who's in this live right now that is not a member? Let me know. Let me know right now in the live chat. Let me know. I'll wait. Oh, lift. Woohoo! Hit 11.50. Wow. Missed out on triple percentage gains today again for lift. Wow. I wasn't really expecting a triple percentage gain, potential gain, but we did get out with some good double digits, right? So I'm not too salty, right? I did get out with 85% in return, but you know, a triple percentage is always better, right? Always better. Ooh, XLV is going back down. All right, so the 15-minute candlestick, like I said, is going to be a few cents off from your 411.50, and guess what? We closed at 411.46. All right, so we're retesting the 10 SMA. That's very good. Google should be retesting 95.50 soon. Or if not, if we start to flag up here, then we can at least see a recalibration of the RSI back to the 40s to 50s range. Because we're a little bit overbought on the 15-minute time frame, but on the hourlies and the daily, we have a long ways to go. Right, long ways to go here for the price. Again, my first profit target area will be 98 to 99, and then my maximum will be at 100. Okay, 100. And if we do get to see a retest of 100 and a potential peak over 100, then I will have some runners left. I'll either take out a third or I'll probably take out half. Yeah, I'll probably take out half, maybe a third at 98 or 99, and then take out another third at 100, and then let the others run, right? The ones that are left. Because I am a bit heavy in this one right now. I added a bunch yesterday, so I'm getting to my personal point where I'm a bit uncomfortable with my risk, just a little bit, but I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay so far. I'm able to tolerate the risk that I put on so far, and that's really important, guys. Remember, you should know how much risk you're taking. Right, the dollar amount, how much percentage that you're taking a risk on your accounts, on your own personal accounts, and make sure you guys remember that it's all about focusing on how you feel, right? How you feel on your risk, all right? Because if you're not, comfortable at all, right, 100% comfortable at all, right, then something's wrong, right? And right now I'm what I call a semi-comfortable area, right? I'm a little bit kind of seesawing between the risk that I put on right now, but at the same time, this trade that I've executed here is working out so far in my favor. So there's no really no reason for me to get out just yet, right? And shave off my position when it's working out so far, right? So no worries there for me. So it's gonna be a good one. Dow's coming back down. We just hit 43 as a high of today, 43.05. SPY is trying to hold 411 here, right? Or at least stay within the vicinity of 411.50. We have 3 consecutive red candlesticks. I expect the next one to go back to 411.50 and break over 411.50. Okay, that is what I want to see. Okay, so we're holding the 10 SMA. Very, very good. I really want to get Apple calls because, I mean, it's really looking good as a bull flag, and we just retested 155 as well. But I just wanted to calm down a little bit here. Maybe retest 140, 154 again, or 154.50 at the very least. All right. Yeah, Apple calls would be nice. Very nice. Even for the end of the week. How about that? I can say that here. Even for the end of the week, that'd be very, very nice. There's Google. Retesting 96 again. Not bad, not bad. SPY trying to hold 411 now. Again, I want to see a retest of 411.50 on the next green candlestick since we're sitting with 3 consecutive back-to-back red candlesticks. Man, solo stocks are really strong today, surprisingly. Very, very strong. The overall TAN solar sector ETF, right? TAN is looking a bit bearish on the fact that we just retested the 10 and the 50 here, and we're rejecting it with the 10 about to cross below the 50. But individual names, on the other hand, right, are looking very good. JKS as well, CSIQ, right? FSLR, okay, EMPH. All right, well, EMPH is kind of the opposite. It's kind of looking bearish, but based on yesterday's candlestick, it could be a very nice run. SEDG, all right, this one's looking very, very good too. All right, on the move like today. So a lot of stocks, a lot of solar stocks, individual solar stocks are doing good, except for the entire ETF here, TAN. All right, it looks bearish. So we'll have to see. We were holding this trend line here, so that's good. And we're seeing this hold of the daily 200 SMA. All we just need to see is just a continuation tomorrow, back to like 79 at least, so that we don't see cross the 50 below the 200, because that's what we call a death cross, and we do not want a death cross, guys. All right, and if the overall solar sector is bearish, then that could cause some harm to every single one of the individual names that I just shown you guys on these solar names. So you guys have to be very, very careful. All right, Apple, come back down to 154, 150. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know what to get for Apple here, since the 160 calls look nice for very, very cheap contracts, right? For potential run up. Because if we do break over 157, that'll be very nice to see. SPY still holding 411. We have about 1 minute and 30 seconds left soon. I may take some calls here. 160 calls for February 24th. In case we get a nice run up higher, okay? But that depends on how we move. Or how we close right now at 411. Okay, Google's still holding 96, excuse me. 411 for SPY is being held. So let's see if the next one can be a nice green candlestick. Apple going back down to 154.50 could be good. Well, not could be good. It'll be very good for us. All right, 411. Excuse me, not 411. SPY has to hold 411, and we need to be at 154.50 for any type of a bounce here. Okay, I am in for Apple here. Okay, a little bit early entry here. Let's see how this works out. Okay, Rocket Lab, I definitely have to add more, which I will. Oh, we closed a little bit below 411. Okay, so the next candlestick has to be a green candlestick, and so far we're having that. But we have to hold 411. We need to hold 411, guys. This is a must. It's a must. Apple, good entry point. Perfect. Perfecto. Very nice base here, basically the 2 hour for the Apple. I mean, the daily just looks so good, right? I mean, how can you not, you know, pass up on this? How can you pass up on this opportunity here, right? I mean, there's I told everyone to long bounce at 130 here, and look at this. It's absolutely just ruptured to the upside, right? So very nice run on Apple. Let's see how GFS is doing. Okay, yeah, Semi's a little bit weak though. Semi's SMH. USD, Saxo. And USD looks like. Okay. Actually, USD looks a little bit more muted here on the run. But regardless, the percentage gains are there, so not bad. Man, stocks looks a lot better than the overall market. That's funny. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We got some good trades in so far, good entry points. We got Apple right now. We have XLV, right, the healthcare sector. We're looking at Google so far with a nice swing we have on it since 2 days ago. And yeah, we talked about Lyft. We have Dell going on as well. We have a lot of stuff going on. We got out of JWN for break even and a little bit of profit. FIGS is still doing great. And yeah, I'll watch out for the natural gas too. This one's still being a very big pain in the butt. So hopefully we can see some sort of movement here in the next couple of days before we can get to expiration date, right? Which is in almost a month now, exactly almost a month. Or it's going to be exactly 3 weeks and 2 days after this week is over. So hopefully we get some sort of a movement, but if you don't, then oh well, I'll have to be stopped out. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking this live stream. It helps me a lot for the YouTube algorithm. But hopefully today was a very good day for you guys, and also a pretty fun live here, since it's been a very, very boring day. And look at that, guys. Right on live, I said we're going to retest for 11.50 after 3 red consecutive candlesticks. Okay, I mean, I've literally gave you guys exactly the rundown on what's going to happen here. And we held 411 as well. Okay, so there we go. There we go. All right, so have a great rest of your day. I will see all the members back in the CFO Discord. Make sure you guys are reading the newsletter as well throughout the week, so you guys remember what the kind of general sentiment that you guys need to have for the overall market. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching.